Oh, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Now look, a lot of y'all probably haven't seen, probably haven't heard, don't know about this, but it's these versus battles that goes on, and you'll have like artists in the 90s battling each other, singers, rappers, whatever the case may be. And there's this video going around of Ray J, for y'all who may not know who he is. That's Brandy's little brother, also the guy who used to date Kim Kardashian and got the sex tape with her and all that, whatever. But I always, talk about when I do my music reactions how when I check out bands when they were younger, and you might watch a version of them when they're older and always say, man, their voice sounds so well seasoned, like it's like the older they get, the better their voice get, like fine wine. uh but this battle, and Ray J was singing his song, One Wish. Now I ain't gonna play it, just, or maybe we'll see what happens. We'll see. If I'm gonna play it, it's gonna show up right here.
Till my baby's born. Yes, sing, come on. Till my baby's born. Till my baby's born. Till my baby's born. Till my baby's born. Till my baby.
But if you go and look at his, like, just go type in Ray J One Wish song and look at the original, right? And then look at him perform it on this versus battle. Now, I always talk about singers like, man, just listen to how this person sound. Ain't no auto tune, no nothing like that. But whatever they did when that brother was in the studio singing, I mean, compared to this new performance he did on this battle, and you hear this brother singing, man, I'm just like, oh my goodness. It's so crazy because, like, the brothers sound like when you sing in the shower on the regular version. And then on this battle, he sounds like when you step out of the shower. When people be like, your family be like, oh, that boy really can sing. And then you hear him and you be like, huh? This brother sounds so bad. So bad. I mean, the notes he was going for. Now, I'll say this. I've never seen Ray J sing live, ever, until that. So when I'm listening to watching a music video or studio, it sounds good. But this brother sound horrible. It's just like, oh, and it matters even worse. The people he was battling against was during that performance, they sung his song and sound better than him.
One wish, one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish.
And they said that. They said, I sound better than you. Oh my goodness, man. So look, the point of me making this video is to say that if you know how to sing, you know how to sing. That's it. No ifs, ands, buts about it. I told y'all, when you get up there live and you got to perform in front of people, people love you. Then, oh, it's Ray J. And you get up there and you sing, and if it don't sound great, like, I mean, it was bad. It was brutal. to just hear to know that this is a millionaire, a famous singer, and that's what he sounds like. So like, it's like they must have been using a lot of technology in that studio, because I was like, damn, brother, damn. And it's not like Ray J is a dancer. You would expect like he was out of breath, something. This brother was just standing there. It was bad. It was bad. I've heard a lot of singers that sound like okay. I've heard a lot that blew me away. You'd be like, this is amazing. But this right here, it's like they pulled him right out of the audience or something. Say, get up here and sing Ray J's song. Oh my goodness, man. But that was it. Like I said, I know a lot of people who are subscribed to my channel probably don't even watch nothing on him. But damn it, y'all needed to see this. Because this is what I'll be talking about. When I say no auto-tune, you gotta, if you know how to sing, you know how to sing. That was it. Comment below. Again, if I'm not able to show it, just go check it out for yourselves. Please. Please. Peace out.